Hi guys! Blessed Friday everyone! So happy that I visit the Mass today, Friday Mass. Thank you so much Lord. And guys, pauwi na ang ating Inday galing sa simbahan. Thank you Lord. God bless us all. Yan, traffic guys. Traffic. Tanggapin. Yan guys, here we are. Look at those buildings. Look that building guys. Yan. We are here at Diplomat. We are in Signal. Ako lang guys ang nagsimba kasi ang aking big sister is may pasok siya. And then my other siblings is sick guys. She's not well. So because the all Christmas we not attend the mass, so I really do try to attend today, and thanks God I did it guys. So thank you. Napakagaan guys yung pakiramdam kapag nakakapagsimba ka, nababawasan yung pagod at mga nararamdaman. Pero I'm so worried guys dahil parang grabe, para akong mahilo, ang bigat ng leeg ko. Parang ngawit na ngawit siya. Nag-alala ako guys. Ewan ko kung ano ito. Okay lang naman yung blood ko kagabi nung nag-blood pressure ako, pero bakit ganun? Parang ang sobrang higpit nung ano ko, nung batok ko. My Lord. Uminom naman ako ng gamot, but I don't know why. Hangin ang panahon guys, pero sa simbahan maalinsangan. Pero dito banda mahangin siya. Ayan guys, ang mga buildings ng Bahrain. Thank you Lord, we reach home safe. Ayan, sabay na tayo guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.